Omae Wa Mou. 死んでいる。
Back up, chump, you know Biggie Smalls rips it quick and kicks it quick. You know how black niggas get. With the hoods, fatigues, with the boots, with trees. Smoking weed, flipping keys, making crazy G's. Hitting buck shots at niggas that open spots on the avenue. Take my loot and I'm bagging you. Pimping hoes that drive Volvos and rodeos. Flash the roll, make them wet in they pantyhose. Damn, a nigga style is unorthodox. Grip the Glock when I walk down the crowded block. Just in case a nigga wanna act out, I just black out, blow they motherfucking back out. That's a real nigga for ya. When we smoke spliffs, we pack 4/5. Just in case Dread wanna riff, he get a free lift to the cemetery. Rough berry, not your ordinary, we watch you get buried. That's a real nigga for ya. Get bagged, do a quarter, flip the script, and rip your lawyer. Spit at the DA, cause fuck what she say. She don't give a fuck about your ass anyway. Up northbound, first stop, Watertown, a fish skill, where the hand skills are real ill. You'll be a super hoover doodle stain remover. Ha ha, yo cheek, that's the Buddha. Money, hoes, and clothes, blood smoke coming out the nose is all a nigga knows. Flipping on foes, putting tags on toes, watching the stash grow, watching the cash flow. The neighborhood grave digger, getting paid so much, all the bitches wanna see a nigga. I guess they figure I'm paid, I wanna get laid. Well, since I got loot, I wanna knock boots. I'd rather beat my dick than trick, and if she don't suck, then we don't fuck. I'd rather make a buck, drive a fat ass truck, grab the 9-2 clips and run amok. Yes, flex after 2 or 3 bets as I wreck shit. What the fuck you expected? A fly guy? Well fuck it, I'm the high guy. From Bed-Stuy, putting the swelling on your eye and your nose even. When I choke you, you stop breathing, and when Jake come, I'm leaving.
It's knowing that your door is always open and your path is free to walk. That makes me tend to leave my sleeping bag rolled up and stashed behind your couch. And it's knowing I'm not shackled by forgotten words and bonds and the ink stains that have dried up on some lines. Keeps you in the back roads by the rivers of my memory. Keeps you ever gentle on my mind. It's not clinging to the rocks and ivy planted on the columns now that binds me. Or something that somebody said because they thought we fit together walking. It's just knowing that the world will not be cursing nor forgiving when I walk along some railroad track and find. Moving on the back roads by the rivers of my memory, and for hours you're just gentle on my mind. Well, I dip my cup of soup back from the gurgling crackle cauldron in some train yard. My beard a rough and coal pile and a dirty hat pulled low across my face. Cupped hands round a tin can, I pretend I'll hold you to my breast and find that you're waving from the black road by the river of my memory, ever smiling, ever gentle on my mind.
You might ask the sky, why are you blue?